looks like it's gonna be another stormy night. Hopefully the power doesn't go out. When spring storms hit, there's a chance you could lose power to your house. And if that happens, well, if power goes out, so does your sump pump. And a flooded basement could turn your basement into a horror movie. That's why today we're talking about backup sump pumps. These are backup sump pumps, and I promise you, they're not scary. If you're thinking about getting a backup system installed, there are two types of backups that you could have. The first backup pump is a water-powered pump. They use water to create a vacuum to remove water from the sump crock. They are almost always installed in homes that are not on a private well. The second type of backup is a battery-powered backup. This system is the most common and will work in almost every home. It is powered by a deep cycle battery that is always being charged when the power is on. See? They're not as terrifying as they sound. A backup sump pump system can keep your basement protected and not a spooky scene from a horror film. Definitely give us a call if you have any questions or if you'd like to get one of these for yourself. If you enjoyed what you saw today, please give the video a like and subscribe to our channel. We're still in the beginning of April, so there's a lot more great content coming your way. Until next time, thanks for watching, and may your basement stay dry.